In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move quickly within a worksheet. Navigating efficiently in Microsoft Excel can save you a lot of time, especially when working with large datasets. While using the mouse and scroll bars is common, there are faster ways to move around a worksheet that can make your workflow much smoother. Let's go over some essential tips for moving quickly and effectively within a spreadsheet. You can always use the mouse to scroll up and down vertically or left and right horizontally using the scroll bars. This is the most basic method, but it can become slow if your worksheet has hundreds or even thousands of rows and columns. To speed things up, you can rely on keyboard shortcuts, which allow you to jump directly to key areas in your worksheet. For example, if you want to go to the very top left of your spreadsheet, instead of manually scrolling to the top and left corner, you can simply press and hold the Control key and then press Home. This combination instantly moves your cursor to the first cell of your worksheet. Similarly, if you need to reach the bottom right, press and hold Control and then hit End. This shortcut brings you directly to the last cell with data, making it much faster than scrolling manually. Another useful technique is using Control along with the arrow keys. This allows you to jump from one cell containing data to the next instead of moving one cell at a time. For example, if you press Control and the right arrow key, the cursor will move to the next populated cell in that row. If there are empty cells, Excel will skip over them, stopping only at the next cell with content. This method works in all directions, so you can move quickly to the next cell with data up, down, left, or right. When it comes to editing cells, you have a few options. You can double-click directly on a cell to make changes, or you can use the formula bar at the top of the screen to edit its contents. After making changes, press Enter or Tab to apply them. If you make a mistake or want to cancel your edits, press Escape to exit without saving changes. Another quick option is to select a cell and press F2, which puts the cell into edit mode immediately, allowing you to make adjustments and then confirm with Enter. By combining these shortcuts and techniques, you can move around a worksheet efficiently, edit data quickly, and avoid wasting time scrolling unnecessarily. Mastering these methods improves your productivity and makes working with Excel much more seamless. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.